All right, guys, see what we found here. Julius Berger is one of the best construction company.
Port Harcourt Road is completed. Yes, but have you asked where all the mighty flood from Asa Road and Orata will be moving in? So today's video is the answer to that question. So today we found something amazing, something crazy on this project. So guys, we are out here at Port Harcourt Road, Abia State, Nigeria, to show you that Port Harcourt Road is completed, but unfortunately, we found something amazing on this project. So guys, follow me to go and see what is happening here. So guys, before we continue, please subscribe, like, share and comment below. Tell us what you think about this project, about what we are going to show you guys today. Comment, like, subscribe, follow all our social media handle.
So I'm here with my friend to show you guys around, show you guys what they are doing on this project. So this is the 30 billion naira project by Berger, by our government, Dr. Alex Chamawati, who decided to reconstruct Aba to make Aba a better place to live. So with my friend here, we're going to show you guys around, show you guys, well, the work going on this project. So you guys stay with us, don't go anywhere.
So I would like to appreciate my returning subscribers, those that are with us since day one. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. If you are watching our videos, if you are watching all our updates on this Jera 247 TV channel, I'm grateful. Thank you so much. Keep coming back, keep watching. Please, we have a lot of updates, we have a lot of things to show you on this channel. Please, we have like stories showing you around the world, exploring the world. This is our main goal on this channel. So not only construction, our main goal on this channel is to show you to explore the world. So if you are a new viewer, please subscribe, like, share and comment below. Turn on all your bell notification, please. Thank you.
Okay, guys, my name is Mr. UBA. So if you know my channel, my name is Mr. UBA. So I'm so happy to see what is going on this project right now. So some people ask me where all the water is going to be channeled. So this is where they're going to channel all the water. This place is called a major road. This is the current update of what they are doing on this project. So I'm so happy to to see something like this in Abia. Because this road they're seeing here is the best road ever built in Abia. There's no doubt.
This is where they are going to channel all the flood coming down from Port Harcourt Road. This is where all of them will enter.